Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code indicates and how to fix it. Will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step understand error code. Content error code in Grand Theft Auto is a common issue that typically indicates a problem with the game's ability to connect to Rockstar Games online services. This error often appears when attempting to join to online sessions, during game updates, or shortly after launching the game. It suggests that your game client is struggling to establish or maintain a stable connection with the necessary servers, rather than an issue with your game files being entirely corrupted or missing. The connectivity can sometimes be a symptom of underlying file problems. Step to check your internet connection content. The first and most fundamental step to resolving error code is to thoroughly check the stability and strength of your internet connection. Begin by restarting your modem and router, as this can often clear temporary network glitches. Once restarted, ensure your device has a stable connection by testing other online applications or websites. If possible, switch from a Wi-Fi connection to a wired Ethernet connection to eliminate potential wireless interference, and ensure a more stable data flow to and from your core console. Step verify the game files. Content corrupted or missing game files can sometimes manifest as connectivity errors, as the game may not be able to properly communicate with servers. If its core components are compromised, you should verify the integrity of your the game files through your respective game launcher. For Steam users, right-click in your library, go to Properties, then Local Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you're using the Rockstar Games Launcher, navigate to Settings, then Installed Games, select Grand Theft Auto and click Verify Integrity. Epic Games Launcher users can find this option under Library by clicking the three dots next to Get it and selecting Verify. Step troubleshoot network and firewall settings. Content your computer's firewall or network settings can inadvertently block data from connecting to the internet, leading to error code. Check your Windows firewall or any third-party firewall antivirus software to ensure that Grand Theft Auto and the Rockstar Games Launcher are explicitly allowed through. You can try temporarily disabling your firewall and antivirus software to see if the error persists. Then re-enable them and add exceptions if it resolves the issue. Additionally, advanced users might consider port forwarding specific ports required by calling on their router, which can be found on Rockstar Support's official website. Step check Rockstar server status and contact support content. If you've exhausted all local troubleshooting steps and continue to encounter error code, the problem might lie with Rockstar Games servers. Visit the official Rockstar service status page to check for any ongoing server maintenance outages or known issues affecting online. If the servers are reported as operational and you're still unable to connect, it's time to contact Rockstar Games Support directly. Provide them with a detailed description of the error, all the troubleshooting steps you've already taken, and any relevant system information, as they can offer more specific diagnostics and solutions.